Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to forward LinkedIn messages to emails. This is a great way to keep important conversations accessible outside of LinkedIn or share them with colleagues who might not be on the platform. First, you'll need to go to linkedin.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account where you've received the message you want to forward. Once you've entered your login details and accessed your account, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the main navigation bar. Here, click on Messaging. This will open up your LinkedIn inbox where all your conversations are stored. You'll see a list of your recent chats and messages from your connections. Next, find the specific message you want to forward to email. You can scroll through your conversations or use the search bar if you need to locate a particular person or message thread quickly. Take your time here to ensure you've found the exact message you're looking for. Once you've located the message, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice that when you do this, a few options appear. Look for the three dots icon, which typically represents additional actions or settings. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing that message. From the menu that appears, click on Share via Email. This is the key feature that allows you to send your LinkedIn message outside of the platform. When you select this option, it will automatically open your default email application. This could be Outlook, Gmail, Apple Mail, or whichever email client you have set as your default on your device. Your default email will now open with the LinkedIn message already formatted and ready to send. You can add a recipient's email address, include any additional context or notes you'd like, and adjust the subject line if needed before sending it off. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded your LinkedIn message to email, making it easy to share important professional conversations or keep records outside of LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.